Here's me this, and I finished carving it. My bow. So now we're gonna spray paint it. Now, let's see what color do I want to spray paint this. Now you can do anything that you want. I personally want to make the tips of blue and the body green. I don't know how that'd work out. So, here's green spray paint. And we're gonna make this thing colorful. So, I'm gonna move this so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So this is what you want to do next. You want to layer it in whatever color you pick. I did not just run out of green. It broke. Oh my god, it broke. Oh well, so what you want to do is you want to cover it in whatever paint. I chose green because it looks like the forest. It's a good camouflage. So you want to do that, and I'll be back in the next video with more. I'm going to go grab this other green paint. Let's see. Should have another green paint. Here it is. This is black, I think. This is black, so I'm going to do the whole thing in black, actually. So, it's a greenish black. So, it's going to be a darker green. So you want to keep on covering it in the color of your choice. I'm doing it because this, like as I said earlier, green is a forest color, so it's good like camouflage. You can layer it if you want to. There we go. Now here's the bow, it's green. Then you want to kind of look over it and see. I don't know, I better get that off. I don't want that on there. You want to look over it? And I see that it looks pretty nice. I'm going to get some on my hands. Oh well. And I see that it looks pretty nice. So now you want to wait until the drying process starts. And whenever it gets completely dry, then you're ready to decorate it. So here it is. And I'm going to go take it outside and let it dry. Thanks guys, and the next part will probably be the last part. Bye.